Good morning, David.
Good morning, Ms. Rama.
Please have a seat. Nice to meet you, David.
Nice to meet you too, Ms. Rama. Thank you for this opportunity.
You're welcome. So, David, please tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, I recently graduated with a bachelor in marketing from Bangka Belitung University. During my study, I was actively involved in the market club and helped organize several campus events that attracted over 2,000 participants. I also completed in internship at a digital marketing agency where I will learn about social media management, content creation, and campaign analysis.
That's impressive. Where are you interested in working for our company specifically?
When I joined your company, I was really drawn to your innovative approach to digital marketing. I noticed that you're being ranked among the top marketing agency in Indonesia by Marketing by Design for their consultative years. What really caught my attention was your campaign for the eco-friendly product line, which went viral and generated over 5 million impressions. I believe in purpose-driven marketing, and your company value perfectly with mine.
I appreciate that you done your homework. What else do you know about our company culture?
I know that your company emphasizes creativity and collaboration. From what I've read on your website and link page, your efforts is to bring fresh ideas to the table and provide professional development opportunities. I also noticed that you have a research team with specialists in various areas like CEO, content marketing, and brand strategy.
Excellent. Now, why do you want to work specific in trade marketing field?
Marketing has always interested me because it's where creativity meets strategy. I love the challenge for understanding consumer behavior and finding innovation ways to connect brands with their audience. During my internship, I managed a social media campaign that increased engagement by 40% in just 2 months, and that experience confirmed that marketing is definitely my passion.
That great achievement. Can you tell me about your great professional strategy?
I would say my great strength is adaptability combined with analytics thinking. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, marketing trends change rapidly. I'm someone who stay updated with the last tool and platform will also be able to analyze data to make informed discussion. For example, when TikTok became popular, I quickly learned the platform algorithm and helped create content that reached over 100,000 views.
What about weakness? Can you identify any that might affect your work?
I think on area I'm still developing in the vision because I'm passionate about my work. I sometimes want to handle everything myself to ensure quality. However, I will work on this by learning to trust team member and understanding that collaboration often leads to better results than working alone.
That's honest of you. Can you describe a challenge you faced during your internship and how you dealt with it?
Sure. During my internship, we had a client who wanted to launch a product within a very tight deadline, only 2 weeks. The challenge was creating a comprehensive marketing strategy, including social media content, email campaign, and influencer mentorship in such a short time. I dealt with this by prioritizing tasks, delegation responsibility to team members based on their strengths. And working extra hours, we managed to launch on team and the campaign extended the client compensation with a 25% in sales during the launch week.
Very impressive. What do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself as a senior marketing strategist, landing Copenhagen and monitoring junior team members. I'd love to specialize. I love to specialize in digital strategy and data analysis, helping the company expand its market research. I also hope to contribute to innovative campaigns that not only build business results but also create positive social impact.
Okay, that vision. Last question for me. Do you have any question for us?
Yes, I do. I am serious about the company approach to professional development. Are there opportunities for employees to attend workshops, obtain certification, or learn new marketing tools?
Absolutely. We invest heavily in our employees' growth. We provide quarterly training, season sponsor, training like Google Analytics and HubSpot, and encourage take them at industry conference. We also have a mentorship program where junior staff are paired with senior strategy.
That's wonderful to hear. Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Rama.
Thank you, David. We'll be in touch soon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Rama.
Good afternoon, David. Please just call me Rama.
Sure, Rama. Thanks for coming today. So let's get started. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Sir, I graduated a bachelor in communication from Bangka Belitung University, and I've been working in marketing for about 3 years now. I started out as a content writer at a startup, and then it moved up to a market coordinator role at an e-commerce company. There, I managed campaigns on different platforms. Now, I'm looking for a role where I can take on more strategic work and really help grow the brand.
That sounds like a solid experience. What made your interest in this marketing position with us?
Well, I've been following your company for a while now, especially on campaign for local Indonesian brand. I was really impressed by your Bangga Buatan Indonesia campaign last year. It did just drive sales, it also built up national pride. It loved to be part of the team that create work like this. Plus, I saw that you're expanding into South Asia and working on regional campaign. Really excites me.
Thanks for that. Can you walk me through a successfully marketing campaign you work on?
Sir, at my last job, I lead in campaigning for a local fashion brand targeting millennial and Gen Z. We create user-generated content campaign on Instagram and TikTok, where we encourage customers to share how they style our product using a specific hashtag. We work with micro-influencers who had really engaged followers. The campaign ran for a month, and we saw a 60% increase in social media followers, around 150,000 pieces of user-generated content, and a 35% jump in sales.
Those are really impressive numbers. In your opinion, what makes a marketing campaign successful?
I think there are three main things: really understanding your target audience, having a clear and compelling message, and closing the right channel. You need to know not just who they are, but what drives them, what channels they have, and where they hang out. And of course, tracking data is super important. You need to make sure you copy it and be ready to adjust based on what working and what not.
I completely agree. Now let's say you have a really tight budget, but need to make a big impact. How would you handle that?
With a limited budget, I did focus more on organic reach and earning media instead of paid. I did put my energy into creating really good, shareable content that connect with people emotional. Thinking like user-generated content, building and engaged community and working with micro-influencer who makes the brand value and be super cost effective. I did also focus on SEO and content marketing for long-term organic traffic. At the end of the day, it's about being creative and author, not about how much money I spend.
Smart thing. Can you tell me about a time when a campaign didn't work out the way you planned? How did you deal with it?
Yeah, we had a mail company owns that got a really low open rate, only 80%, when we usually get around 22%. After looking at the data I released, we sent the email at the wrong time, and our subject line, right interest you know. So I quickly set up a B test with different subject line and send time. We also broke down our email list into more specific segments based on how customers actually behave. Within 2 weeks, we got the open rate up to 25% and improve click-through by 80%.
Nice problem solving. What marketing tools and platform do you know how to use?
I'm comfortable with Google Analytics and Google Ads for tracking performance and running page campaign. For social media, I use Outsuite and Meta Business Suite. I've also working with email platform like Mailchimp and HubSpot. For design, I mainly use Canva and I know the basic of Adobe Creative Suite. And for SEO, I'm familiar with tools like SEMrush and have for keyword research and checking out competitor.
Great. Where do you think marketing is ahead in the future, especially here in Indonesia?
I think we're moving so more personalized, one-on-one marketing with AI and machine learning. Brand can create really customized experience for X person. Short video will keep growing escapably on TikTok and Instagram Reels. In Indonesia specifically, I see huge potential in social commerce, selling directly on social media, influencer marketing, thanks to nano and micro influencer, are getting more doors than that big celebrity because they feel more authentic.
I see it the same way. Last question. Why should we hear you over the other candidates?
I think I make good mix of creativity and data skill. I don't just execute campaign and can building strategy, analyze how things are doing and optimal for better results. My experience with Indonesia brand give me a good understanding of local consumers' behavior and culture, the style that really matter for marketing here. And hopefully, I'm always learning and keeping up with what new in the industry, so I keep bringing fresh ideas to the team.
Thank you so much, Rama. Do you have any question for me?
Yes, what would success look like for someone in this position in the first 6 months?
Good question. In the first 6 months, we want to see your successfully run at least 2 major campaigns, show clear improvement in ROI, and work well with other teams. We also really value people who to take initiative, bringing new ideas, and suggesting ways we can do things better. Would definitely be a plus.
That sounds really exciting. Thanks for the updates, Mr. David.
Thank you for your time, Rama. We'll get back to you soon about next steps.
Thank you.